Dear friends, dear UPSC aspirants, welcome to Gallant IAS. I'm Justin, and this is Indian coinage, the history of the coins of India, which is important for prelims because, several times UPSC asked you questions on this. For example, UPSC asked on the Kushana coinage system. UPSC asked on the punch-marked coins of India, Gupta coinage system. UPSC asked on the rubagas or dinaras. UPSC asked on the coinage system of this Delhi Sultanate Mughal Empire. Okay, so the coins are important for prelims and mains. Coming to prelims, many aspects are there. First important thing is try to understand what is the role of these coins or what is the relevance of coins in studying the history of India. They help you to understand the chronology of the rulers or dynasties which ruled ancient medieval India. So it will help you to understand the chronology. It will help you to understand the different kings or dynasties of ancient medieval times. It will help you to understand the monetary system of ancient medieval times, the trade, international trade relations, or how was the monetary system of ancient medieval times. Then it will help you to understand various languages or script used in ancient medieval times. Coins also contain the inscriptions in Brahmi script or in Kharoshthi script or in various Pali, Prakrit, Sanskrit languages. So the evolution of languages and scripts we can understand from that. Also, the maritime trade relations. For example, Shatavahana coins contains the ship motifs and all. So here, the coins, they are very useful source to understand the history of ancient medieval times. Literary sources, they have some exaggerations here also sometimes, but it is most of the historians believe coins are the most authentic sources to study ancient medieval times. Now coming to this, there are terms related to coins which is important for you in prelims point of view. Earliest terms are Nishka Shadamanas. These are some terms used for coins or coin kind of ornaments. Okay. Then actually in India, the history of coinage started with the 6th century BC. Punchmark coins being introduced. Punchmark coins means the various symbols of trees, birds, animals being punched on the coins. So they are punchmarked coins. Yes, Karshapana. Karshapana, it is an example of this Panchamarked coin circulated in the 6th century BC. Sradhya, Shadavana is another term used for Panchamarked coins in 6th century BC. And അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട വളരെ ക്രൂഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള മറ്റൊരു പോയിന്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ yes, these coins, they are not issued by the state. Mughals times, the coins were issued by the state, but in 6th century BC, coins were not issued by the state. Coins were issued by guild systems. Shredis were there. Shredis, bankers, merchants issued punchmarked coins. Now coming to Kaudilya's Arthashastra, yes, you can see an organized monetary system you can identify in Maurya age. Yes, Lakshanadiksha. Lakshanadiksha means he is the superintendent of the mint. So the departmental administration is discussed in Maurya's, Kaudilya's Arthashastra. Lakshanadiksha was the in charge of the superintendent of the mint department. So they also used Panchamarked coins and their coin was called Pana. Now Indo-Greeks were after the Mauryas. ഇവിടെ ഇൻഡോ ഗ്രീക്സ് വരുന്നു. അവർ കാറ്റുകൊള്ളാൻ വന്നവരല്ല, ഒബിയസ്ലി ഇവിടെ ഇന്ത്യ റൂൾ ചെയ്യാൻ വന്നവരാണ്. ആൻഡ് ഇൻഡോ ഗ്രീക്സ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദ ഡിക്ലൈൻ ഓഫ് മൗര്യസ്. ഇൻഡോ ഗ്രീക്സ് യു ക്യാൻ സീ they issued gold coins for the first time in India. Gold coins for the first time in India. Okay, they issued gold coins for the first time in India. UPSC question ആണ്. മറ്റൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു, the gold coins are attributed to these kings, definitely attributed to kings and queens. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഗോൾഡ് കോയിൻസും ഇഷ്യൂ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ആരാണ്? ഇൻഡോ ഗ്രീക്സ് ആണ് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഇന്ത്യയിൽ. So they issued gold coins for the first time. Then Kushanas issued the purest number of, not largest, അത് നിങ്ങൾ പ്രത്യേകം നോട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, it is not largest, the purest number of the gold coins being issued by these Kushanas, especially Kanishka. Okay, then you can see that same 1st, 2nd centuries AD, we can identify Roman coins in South India also, because the South India was also engaged in trade with the Roman Empire. So Roman gold coins also being identified from South India. Then Shadavahanas also issued coins, but they never issued gold coins. They issued silver, copper coins. Yes, their coins contained the inscriptions in Prakrit language and Brahmi script. Inscriptions in Prakrit language and Brahmi script. Guptas, yeah, they are the heroes in this coinage. Guptas issued the largest number of the coins, gold coins, and of course, their gold coins were called dinaras and rubagas were the silver coins. Rubagas were the silver coins. So dinaras are gold coins, rubagas are the silver coins. Okay, and Guptas again take care. ഈ പറയുന്ന ഓരോ ആസ്പെക്റ്റും പ്രിലിംസിലുള്ള ചവിട്ടുപടിയാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ്. They issued these coins in the Sanskrit. I mean, their inscriptions in the coins contained, Sanskrit language and Brahmi script. They used Sanskrit language. Their official language itself was Sanskrit. Scripture there no Brahmi script. Then upper side contained the images of kings and queens. Reverse side contained the image of the deities they worshipped. അതൊക്കെ യു പി എസ് സി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ്. അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ഷഫിൾ ചെയ്ത് യു പി എസ് സി ചോദിക്കും. Now Harshas continued the peacock type of the coins of the Kumaraguptas. Then coming to this medieval India, if you go for medieval India, you can see that yes, medieval Indian rulers, especially Delhi Sultanate, they issued tangas and jittal. Tanga is the silver coin, jittal is the copper coins. Rupiah dam issued by this Sher Shah Suri, the finest administrator of this or one of the finest administrator of medieval times. Rupiah was is silver coins, dam it is copper coins. Then Vijayanagar Empire rulers, they issued Varaha as the gold coins. So these different things which you please take care. And Mughal coins, Mughal was the gold coin, Rupiah was the silver coin, and the dam was the copper coins. So these terms are important for you, and the basic understanding of these different coins of ancient India, that will help you to solve at least yeah, because the basic understanding is only required. Rest of the things can be eliminated with your common sense. So the basic idea regarding the coins, that should be very clear to you. So if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe our channel, and also yeah, many of the quality content videos being provided for you for your upcoming exam preparations. Okay, both prelims and mains. So stay tuned and to watch all our video series. Let's target series are there, concept wise videos are there, so discussion videos are there, question solving videos are there in all subjects. So watch it, and this is one of the ways we can help you students across the nation. Okay, all the best. Stay confident, happy, and don't think too much. Don't think too much. If you think too much, it will put you in trouble. Okay, keep on solving potential UPC question, UPC standard mock questions and previous questions, and just boost your confidence, and just keep on practicing, and you can easily definitely clear if your goal is, if you are focused, and if your preparation is in the right way. That's it. Thank you.